Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be cutting a classic Vidal Sassoon's shake haircut. We start the haircut with a center part, taking diagonal back sections, whilst directing our guest's head to face down. We take our first section. It is important to determine the length of your fringe. I have chosen to flip my fingers the opposite way, with the top of my fingers facing towards me. This allows me to cut above my fingers, instead of through my fingers. This helps to create a beveled curve in the perimeter of your shake haircut. We direct every section 90 degrees, straight out from the base of each section, with our guest's head facing down and forward. Section 1 becomes our guide for Section 2. We continue to flip our finger position, cutting above our fingers. Our finger position and cutting angle is directed 45 degrees down towards the floor. Our elevation is 90 degrees towards you. This process will create a beveled forward graduation. We continue this process taking parallel sections, directing every new section to the previous section as our new guide. Our elevation slightly rises with every new section as the head shape's curvature increases when our guest's head is facing forward and down. When we reach the ear area, we simply use the existing guide to join the nape section into our forward graduated shape. Stay tuned. At the end of this tutorial, I will show you 4 different ways to style this shake haircut. We continue this process, taking parallel sections, directing every new section to the previous, whilst maintaining our elevation and cutting angle. Once we reach the center back section, we move to the opposite side, repeating the exact process. We continue with diagonal back sections, elevating our sections straight out towards you at 90 degrees. Our cutting angle is at 45 degrees, with our fingers flipped to cut above instead of through our fingers. We continue to take parallel sections, directing every new section to the previous, working back towards the center back section. Continue to work with clean sections, with even hydration. Be mindful of even tension, elevation and your cutting angle. This haircut is a Vidal Sassoon Classic, with a few of my personal tweakages. This haircut is the curly shake haircut. An amazing versatile haircut that looks incredible curly, wavy, or straight. This haircut is created by cutting forward graduation. You could choose to cut this haircut heavier, by lowering your elevation, or lighter by elevating higher, with every new section. It's an amazing haircut, cut at any length. However you will see the most impact, cut shoulder length or shorter. If you have a client who loves their natural waves, this is the haircut for them. It's a simple wash and wear hairstyle. Bonus is, it looks incredible with any parting you choose. If you have learned something new, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you value my work, please do me a massive favor by hitting the like and subscribe icons, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. I do appreciate all of your support and feedback. After we complete the center back section, we flat wrap blow dry into natural fall, preparing our haircut for refining and personalizing. If you haven't already watched my long wolf cut tutorial, you should check it out. Link is in the description below, or link above. We now refine the haircut by taking exactly the same sections as the haircut was cut. This helps to maintain the haircut's shape whilst refining the shape. I am using the point cutting method, directing my scissors 90 degrees straight into my section, removing bulk whilst maintaining the shape. If you wanted to make this haircut look edgier, or more modern, you could shatter the shape by directing your sections 90 degrees straight up, whilst point cutting deep into your sections. This will help to collapse the shape, whilst adding maximum movement and texture. You could also use the channel cutting technique to create even more movement. When flipping your fingers, use your ring finger to help control your cutting section. I have chosen to have a heavier fringe, so I am only going to reduce the bulk from the ends. Feel free to layer this area, or reduce internal bulk with channel cutting or slicing. This haircut looks and feels very similar to the shag haircut, and also the new TikTok wolf cut. Let me know in the comments below if you learned something new in today's shake haircut tutorial. The shake haircut creates amazing texture. It can be styled to look edgy. It can also be styled to look boho and glam. This is the shape diffused dried. I love this haircut, as it can be styled to suit all ages and demographics. I personally love brushing the curls out to create rock chic hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.